Hello, welcome to Professor SNAB, where we aim to make A-level biology as simple as a cell. So today we will be looking into knowing how the relationship between heart structure and function can be investigated practically. So starting off, let's look at the structure of the heart. The heart consists of four chambers, the right and the left atria, and the right and the left ventricle. The four main blood vessels are pulmonary vein, aorta, vena cava, and pulmonary artery. The pulmonary vein carries blood from the lungs to the left atrium. The aorta carries blood from the left ventricle to the body. The vena cava carries blood from the body to the rest of the ventricle, to the right ventricle. And finally, the pulmonary artery carries blood from the right atrium to the lungs. So now we're looking into the walls of the heart. So the atrioventricular walls separate atria from the ventricles. The semilunar walls separate arteries from the ventricles. So this is extra information for you, but it's just good to know it anyway. So tendinous cords or valve tendons prevent the atrioventricular walls from turning inside out from the pressure. So this might be something that would come up as maybe a 1 marker or 2 marker maybe. And then septum, this is not explicitly mentioned in your textbooks, but it is still something that's worth knowing about because we've had exam questions on this. So septum is the muscle and connective tissue found running down the middle of the heart to prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Coronary artery supplies blood to the cardiac muscle as it is wrapped around the heart. And this is once again something we look into on a previous video. Previous video meaning the cardiac cycle video. And finally, cardiac muscle, it is thicker on the left-hand side because higher pressure is needed to pump blood further. So again, why is that? Because the left-hand side is what's responsible for pumping blood to the rest of the body. So you're obviously traveling a longer distance, so it needs to be thicker so that long distance can be covered. Compared to like the right-hand side, which just pumps blood to the lungs, which is obviously a much more shorter distance. So that is all from Professor SNAB today, where we make A-level biology as simple as itself. So hope this has been useful, and if you have any questions on the topic or any questions in A-level biology in general, please drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And good luck with your revision.